Hey everyone, before we get started with today's video, if you're interested in getting high-paying job offers sent to you for free, you can enter your email below for Fetti. Fetti will help you land the job of your dreams. Basically, all you have to do is answer a couple of questions, enter your email, and Fetti will actually send you a list of high-paying jobs. It's super easy. You can even do this remotely and from anywhere in the country. You can literally apply to multiple jobs in a single click. So use our link below for Fetti, and now let's jump into the video. So when did you stop? Like what year did you quit driving?
That's a great question. So I think I drove for like 3 years really consistently from 2014 to 2017. And right around that time, there was like Uber didn't have a lot of events for the drivers, but Lyft did. And down at the Lyft hub in Los Angeles, we had a get together, and they invited a few of the drivers that were actively recruiting other drivers. So I had referred like I think 20 people, and so they made me a Lyft ambassador. They had a party, and this is going to answer your question. So I actually stopped driving because I went to this Lyft party at the hub, and one of the supervisors was like, "Hey, come over here. I need to talk to you." I thought I was in trouble for a minute, Izzy. And then he's like, "No, we have a promotion for you." And I said, "Oh, like, what am I going to do?" He's like, "Well, you're probably going to be driving less, but you're going to be recruiting more." And I was like, "Well, what if I still want to drive?" And he's like, all the other guys in the room were like, "No, dude, just trust us. This is better." So I started driving like almost not at all, because what they did is Lyft gave me two company phones, and they gave me a code name on each phone. And they basically let me go around and take unlimited Uber rides. And I had to, while I'm sitting in the car, I had to convince the Uber driver that switching to Lyft was better.
Oh wow, that's so cool.
Yeah.
It's such an interesting job. They just
And
like,
every time I could convert an Uber driver, I would make like $300. So if you could do two
oh
or three of
wow.
those in a day, you're making like $600, $900. And you like, why would I drive anymore if I can make like $300 for, flipping one driver?
Yeah, that's so cool. I didn't even know that like they were doing that.
Yeah, isn't that weird? And that's a top secret thing a lot of people don't know about. Uber does that to Lyft, and Lyft does it to Uber. And some people are like super loyal, or like Uber loyal, right, to their company. So they would be like, "Get out of my car. I know who you are. I know what you're trying to do." But you have to play it like really casual. And some people, they hate Uber and they're ready to try Lyft. Like, "Oh, I was thinking about it," but they're like, "Oh, I don't like the pink mustache." And I'm like, "I love the pink mustache. They pay me more money than Uber does. Like,
Yeah.
what's wrong with pink? They pay me lots of money." So, anyways, I did that for a while, and so I kind of stopped driving around 2017 because the recruiting was more fun.